There's a soup kit sitting in Walmart shopping refrigerators across 29 states right now, and its use-by date is 3 days away. Whether that clock running out matters is exactly what we need to talk about, because normally a use-by date passing means a product quietly disappears from your fridge. This time, it means something different. On August 12th, Kettle Cuisine LLC, based in Savage, Maryland, recalled its Marketside tomato bisque soup kit, the 14-ounce version sold exclusively at select Walmart stores, because the product may be contaminated with Listeria monocytogenes. This wasn't triggered by a customer complaint. It wasn't triggered by anyone getting sick. It came from the company's own routine testing, which returned what's called a presumptive positive result for Listeria. Let's be precise about what that phrase actually means, because it matters. A presumptive positive is an initial test result suggesting contamination, pending further confirmation. It's not yet a confirmed positive. Kettle Cuisine says it's continuing its investigation in coordination with the FDA. That's an important distinction to hold on to. This is a company acting on a caution signal, not a confirmed outbreak. And so far, there have been no illnesses reported connected to this product. Now here's where the story gets its shape. The recall covers 3,240 individual soup kits. The specific product is the Marketside Tomato Bisque Soup Kit, UPC, number 1943464740004. And the use-by date printed on every one of these kits is August 22, 2026. Do the math on the timeline. The product was distributed to stores between June 30th and July 7th. The recall was announced August 12th, more than a month after distribution started, and the use-by date is landing just 10 days after that recall notice went out, which means for a meaningful stretch of time, this product was already sitting on shelves and in carts as a completely normal soup kit, and only recently did it become something people needed to actively check for. This is where a lot of people make a dangerous assumption. They see a use-by date that's almost passed and think, if it's about to expire anyway, does the recall even matter? The answer is yes, and here's why. A use-by date is about quality and freshness under normal conditions. It has nothing to do with whether a product was contaminated with a pathogen during production. Listeria monocytogenes doesn't wait politely for a printed date. If it's present regardless of what the label says, and it doesn't become safer to eat as that date approaches. Let's talk about distribution, because this is genuinely not a small regional story. These soup kits didn't stay in one corner of the country. They reached select Walmart stores across 29 states: Arkansas, California, Colorado, Connecticut, Delaware, Georgia, Iowa, Illinois, Indiana, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maryland, Missouri, Mississippi, North Carolina, New Jersey, New Mexico, Nevada, New York, Ohio, Oklahoma, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Texas, Virginia, Vermont, Wisconsin, and West Virginia. That's more than half the country. A product that sounds like a narrow, single-store issue actually touched a huge footprint of American grocery shoppers. Now, what Listeria monocytogenes actually does. For most healthy people, an infection means a rough few days: fever, severe headache, muscle stiffness, nausea, abdominal pain, diarrhea. Unpleasant, but something most people recover from without lasting harm. But for young children, older adults, anyone with a weakened immune system, and pregnant women specifically, this is a genuinely dangerous organism. In pregnant women, an infection can cause miscarriage or stillbirth. In vulnerable populations generally, it can escalate to serious, sometimes fatal infection. So here's what to actually do with this. If you bought a Marketside Tomato Bisque soup kit from Walmart, check for that 14-ounce package in the UPC number 1943464740004. Regardless of whether the use-by date has passed or is about to, do not eat it, serve it, or sell it. Dispose of it or return it to Walmart for a refund. And if anyone in your household has eaten it and developed symptoms like fever, stiffness, or confusion, that's worth mentioning to a doctor, particularly if you're pregnant or caring for someone in a higher risk group. This is a story about timing as much as it's about contamination, a presumptive positive test, a 5-week gap before the recall reached the public, and a use-by date closing in fast. The recall system caught this before it became something worse. Whether the timing gave people enough warning is the part worth paying attention to. If stories like this help you stay ahead of what's actually in your fridge, hit that like button so more people see it, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Stay safe and stay tuned, because these stories only get told if enough of us are paying attention.